thank you for joining us at this Vendor Splendor event. It's been a lot of fun seeing the different vendors presenting and their passions and their side gigs. My name is Pia Davis and I'm a consultant for 31 Gifts. They're best known for their bags and totes and wallets and purses, but they have so much more. And so you can check out my other videos on different things. I wanted to add one thing on the home decor where I did the photo images and the pillows and things. I forgot to share this. It's called Home Decor Caddy, I think. And I have Grateful and Blessed on here. You can use this for so many things. Here I have flowers in them, and I've put, you know, those Starbucks coffee, the glass ones, they fit in here nicely. These ones I got at Hobby Lobby. But I also have one in the RV. I put, we like red, white, and blue, so I have colored forks, spoons, and knives in here. I've seen people put their pens for their crafting in here, makeup brushes, all kinds of things. So I'm sorry I didn't include that in the home decor video, but this is really a great item. So, and it's one of the lesser expensive mango wood things. So anyway, this video is really about the Get Creative line. They have a whole line of things for crafters, and in the catalog they have I don't have any of the brand new items, but there's one that's even big enough to hold a sewing machine. And so they just, if you look, so you Get Creative starts on page 32 in the catalog. Actually, maybe 30, they have some other things. I put a link for the online catalog in one of the posts, or if you want one, just private message me your email and your home address and I'll send you one. But I don't have any of the brand new ones, but they have a lot of great products for crafters, and I know a lot of people were super excited about the one for the sewing machine. So anyway, this is not a craft product. It's called the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote, but it is great for crafters. Actually, it's great for anything. Some people use this as a diaper bag. Some people use, like Melissa has her writing gear in one. It has a nice zipper. It has 2 pockets on one side, 3 pockets in another, so you can literally put a lot of stuff. I have my Stampin' Up, Michelle's my Stampin' Up gal, and I've got some of my stamps in here, and so that's a great one for crafting. And then this one, I shared this item with you before. It has some of my crafting items, but I like this personalization, crafting and creating. So you can personalize anything most everything you want. They don't do some like trade name things, but it's really fun to be able to personalize things online. And I love helping people. So if you don't like the tedious work, text me and I'll help you. This is a Ruby Mini I showed you before. This one I have some of my jewelry making stuff in it, and it's just easy to be able to grab this if I'm going to be sitting somewhere, and I can just bring one small project. This item is called the Double Duty Caddy. No, this is the Deluxe Double Duty Caddy. The Double Duty Caddy I have here with some silverware and stuff. I think I'll share that one with a repurposing video, but both of them are really good for crafting. This one has this outside pocket and then 2 areas where you can put things in, and it has pouches on the outside where I've got my Stampin' Up stamp sets and my little cutter and all my different Stampin' Up tools that I need. And then 31 also has this great Get Creative zipper pouch. And I've got all my Stampin' Up! Supplies, glue and tape runner and different products. So this, some people look on my Pinterest. I actually have a really good imager. Maybe I'll include it as a post. But people use this for like their passports, all their travel documents. Oh, I could have put this in the travel video. Anyway, so this really has a lot of different uses. And then they have a whole line of clear things. So I have all my adhesives in one. I have my rubber stamp for the back of my cards. They have one special for washi tape. A lot of people will also put like their crochet hooks, things like that in here. This is not a current product, it's for paper, but sometimes they do bring things back. But I like the personalization. They have several different personalization options for art things. And another craft item that some people use, they actually use it for a whole bunch of different things, is the fold and file. And I talked about it in the utility tote. You can set several of these in the deluxe size, and people will use it for their office on the go. They put their files and stuff in here, but a lot of people will also put their stamp sets in here. So it's more of like an office type thing, but I like it in my craft thing. This item is, oh man, I can't remember what the name is, but it's one of my favorite. It's really, I think it's the Get Creative Caddy. One side has this net with a Velcro area here. The other side has areas like I have my Stampin' Up! Stamps and stuff and different pens. And this is really nice because you can actually bring it somewhere and then do your project as you're sitting. I've seen people have like their paintbrushes or markers. They use it for coloring, like they can bring their projects with their coloring. This is a zipper here. So this is an, oh, well, that might be too controversial. I repurposed this for several different things. So if you look on my Pinterest page, you'll see what else I use it for. Let's see, this is, I'm showing you this because I love this personalization. This is the same bag that I use for my toffee in the car, but it says eat, sleep, craft, repeat. So I really like that. Crafting's a lot of fun. Let's see. I think that's pretty much it on the crafting stuff. There are really so many different items that you can use for crafting, but they have a whole line. Look online and look in the catalog because they have a whole bunch of new products that I don't have yet, and new prints as well. So thanks for watching. I hope you're having fun at the Vendor Splendor event. I'm just excited to have 9 vendors sharing this time with us, and so I hope you can get a lot of your shopping done this weekend. Thanks for watching.